Turkish bread is my go-to bread in Germany. It's called Fladenbrot. It's very easy to find in any supermarket, Turkish stores of course. It's very similar to Moroccan bread. It's very soft, it's very light, it's perfect for dipping, it's perfect for sandwiches, and that's why they, use it for duna. And for my Turkish friends out there, this might not be exactly the bread you grew up eating, the one that your mother made or your grandmother made, but it's still very good. We will start with 400 grams or 14 ounces of all-purpose flour, 7 grams or quarter of an ounce of dry yeast, 12 grams or 0.42 ounces of sugar, 7 grams or quarter of an ounce of salt. Give it a gentle mix. With your bread mixer running on low speed, slowly add in 80 grams or 2.82 ounces of Greek yogurt. Slowly add in 260 ml or 8.8 fluid ounces of water. Then increase the speed to medium. Now add in 20 grams or 0.7 ounces of unsalted butter. Make sure that the butter is at room temperature so that the dough absorbs it quicker. Increase the speed a notch and let the machine run for 10 minutes. We are not going to take the dough out, so what we're gonna do is just fold from one side to another 3 to 4 times. Cover it with a plastic sheet and let it rise for 1 to 1.5 hours in a turned off oven with lights on. Generously flour your work surface. And gently roll your dough to form a ball. It's sticky, so it's not going to be perfect, but that's okay. Add more flour if you need to. At the end, it's always gonna be a soft, wet dough. But don't worry about it, just lay it on an oven tray covered with greased parchment paper. Gently stretch the dough to the sides by pushing from the middle. Cover the tray and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. For this step, you want to make sure that your hands are very wet. Use the sides of your hands to form parallel vertical lines by gently pressing down on the dough. You might need to keep your hands wet throughout the whole thing, so feel free to go and wash them again. Now we are going to do the same thing, but at a 40 degrees angle of the vertical lines. Just a little bread geometry for you. Brush your bread with an egg wash, consisting of a whole egg and a tablespoon of whole milk. Sprinkle some black and white sesame seeds. And bake at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. This bread is meant to be eaten soft, so once you get it out of the oven, cover it with a dry towel for 15 minutes so that it doesn't develop a crust. And now you have delicious Turkish bread at home, so enjoy! Alright, our bread is ready. I just want to show you how it looks and how it feels. It's very soft and very light. And actually you can see some air bubbles trapped in there. I mean, nothing fancy, but very good, very light. Yeah. Mostly just eating, you know. This bread is gonna be gone. Well, that was it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, you know what to do. Feel free to share it with friends and family, and I'll see you next time.